bakit nakikipagkompetensya talaga dun sa mga bagets in terms of kilig.
Kasi syempre sina Katniel, sina Lizkin, sina JB, market nila yung mga kabataan, teeny bopper. So kami, meron kaming mas adult na market na mas mature naman po.
Millennials na kinikilig sa inyo. Bakit kaya sa tingin ninyo?
Parang ako feeling ko mas maraming titas na
Yan ba ang market? Mga titas of Manila. Ay, nako. So, needless to say, a lot of titas of Manila ask you, oh, kamusta si Ian in person? Kamusta si Richard in person? Talaga sila sa inyo. What do you usually answer? Or ano yung mga tanong nila about them?
asan si Ian? Or asan si Richard? Na parang, asawa ko po ba siya? Basta kayo po hinahanap.
Di ba nakakamot na hinahanap kayo?
Expect na dapat magkasama kami or magkasama kami. Pero ang nakakatuwa lang doon is, kumbaga may audience. Di ba may market na sila.
Meron talaga. Kaya naman, from a guy's point of view, what do you think it is about your tandem and your tandem na gusto ng tao?
Siguro it's more complex. The dynamics between Jody and I na alam nila na we're not together, alam nila I'm happily married. It's more complicated. Yeah, so the older crowd niya, siguro they find it more interesting. And kaya niloloko ko si DJ na anak namin, ang Katniel, parang anak namin yun sa show. Yun nga, sabi ko, sa'yo ang estudyante, akin ang faculty. Kasi pangalakas ka niya sa akin.
What year is that?
I think it's, well, the more mature audiences look for something else rather than yung kilig na pa-cute lang. Sa amin, hindi kailangan minsan magpa-cute. Parang ano lang, yung normal relationship that the couple has, which they find nakakakilig.
And nakaka-relate siguro. We were talking about it kanina. Ang daming nakaka-relate dito kay Chingay. And you're the perfect person to play kasi when you see the trailer, parang kapit ka kaagad kay Jody as Chingay. Nakakatuwa. And how about you two? Kasi iba ang fanbase ninyo, ibang fanbase ninyo. Medyo may awayan sa social media. Is there any competition at all in making this movie?
Sa amin, kasi kami sa set, as the real people, we're friends.
Yeah.
So, yun nga, sometimes there's definitely a rivalry between the role I'm playing Ryan and the role Richard is playing si Fran. Pero yun nga, minsan nakakalimutan na nila na they're fighting over two people na hindi totoo. They're just roles. So, yun. Pero we're such good friends sa set and with Directonet and wala, it's so light.
We're flattered that they believe na there's something really going on between the two of us. Pero in reality, we're friends off screen. Diba? It's just the role that we're playing.
So, no competition at all?
Wala, kasi alam naman natin na sa akin talaga may crush si Jody.
Grabe naman. At this point, we're going to play a game, Jody. I will give you these. Talaga naman, your two leading men. Tapos, may tanong kami, sabihin mo lang kung Team Chinoy or Team Tisoy. And you can defend yourselves kung kayo ang isagot ni Jody.
Pero pwede yung ganyan.
Wala sana po. Pero wala sana one lang. Oo. Sino yung, kasi very mysterious ang karang leading man para sa viewers. Pero sino yung sa totoong buhay pala, sobrang kalog or nagpapatawa lagi behind the scenes? Hindi ka ba imagine?
Diba? Kami yung ginagawa namin before yung Be Careful with My Heart. Parang akala nila sobra siyang serious. Pero pag pinanood mo na yung mga behind the scenes namin, ang dami mong mapupulot na yung mga jokes niya, pangalan niya,
Joke?
Dahil alam mo, clumsy ako.
Okay.
Kaya pag may nadadapa ako, natatawa talaga si Jody. Kasi
Sino mas malakas kumain, Jody?
siya. Kasi si Richard, ano siya, nakakasabay ko pa siya before sa
Naawa ako sa kanya.
mga meals, sa mga healthy stuff ko. Siya talagang nilalait niya yung pagkain ko. Kesyo lasang karton, lasang
Kasi lahat,
balikbayan ba?
sugar free, sodium free, taste free, everything.
Ikaw, anything.
Kasi sabi ko, wala ka ba dito yung medyo buwis-buhay na pagkain?
Ito yung snack box. Ganun yun.
Yes, yes. So, bako niya lahat healthy, so wala akong mahanap.
Okay. Sino yung mas kuripot? Ay, the pareho.
Kasi hindi naman ikaw para splurge. Ikaw din naman bilang Chinese businessman, kuripot.
Pareho smart sa pera.
Kaya ang dami nilang ipon. Chen, yung relationship nila, hindi lang basta husband and wife. Talagang, ano sila, partners na, kaya may mga meeting or may mga special events, talagang nandun si Mama Chen, ever supportive. Tapos kunyari, pag may mga small things na nakikita mo, talagang i-update na si Mama Chen, ganyan. So, ang ganda ng kanilang relationship.
Sa trailer of the movie, your characters are described using hashtags. If you, Ian and Richard, you were to describe Jody as a person in a hashtag, ano yun?
Jody, Santa Maria, hashtag Lola.
Grabe
Hindi
naman!
kasi conservative, super conservative, and principal, warden.
Hashtag principal, nakakaloka.
Kaya takot ako sa kanya kasi nga, para siyang principal. Para feeling ko, pag meron akong, for example, may dumaan na maganda, tapos napatingin ako, siya yung, ano ba? Pag nakatingin siya, yung gano'n. So kanya, guwag siya, di ba?
Confirm this, Jody. Do you confirm?
Salita ka naman talaga, di ba?
Kaya para lang,
Ano lang?
malaman lang niya kung anong focus niya.
Strict na, kumbaga protective na kaibigan.
Oh, hashtag protective.
Ayan, hashtag protective.
Ang maganda
Okay.
hashtag principal. Iba eh. Richard, hashtag for Jody.
Hashtag lovable. Kasi parang si Jody parang hindi naman sa she can take care of herself pero parang gusto mo siya alagaan.
Okay, a hashtag for Richard, the both of you.
Ako, para kay Ian, siguro hashtag adrenaline junkie. Ang hilig niya sa sports na buwis buhay. Na pagdating
Sa
doon,
pagkain at sa sports, lahat buwis.
buwis buhay. So, ganun klase siya.
Okay, and you?
Ako, hashtag perfect partner. Kasi ang basehan doon is kung paano ko nakikita yung relationship niya with his wife. Na parang, that's something that you would want also for yourself.
Okay, of course, we are celebrating Jody's birthday also. Happy birthday! How would you summarize your year and what are you looking forward to pa?
My year,
Grabe ang year na to for you.
beautiful. Kung isasum ko lahat ng nangyari sa akin, it's still beautiful. So, yun. Yun lang.
And you deserve every bit of it. Happy birthday.
Thank
Later,
you.
ang gift namin para sa'yo. Of course, you're also celebrating this weekend, Father's Day.
Happy birthday, Janet!
Thank you.
Earlier in the show, we had a list and the topic was hot dads. Of course, pareho kayong pasok. What does it feel like na, yun, tinatawag pa rin kayo talagang hot dad? Hot dad.
Awkward.
Awkward. How about you? Awkward? No?
It's flattery. Siyempre, kasi at our age, parang nasasama pa rin kami sa listahan.
And I saw in an interview recently you mentioned that your kids make you asar.
Yes.
They see you in billboards. Or like how? Ano?
Wala, sila, oh man, why are you so pabebe there? Ganyan. Diba, okay na, nung bata ako, nagpapatanda ako. Ngayon, kung matanda na ako, papabata, hayaan nyo na.
How about you? Do your kids ever make you asar or kantsaw about... Siyempre, some pictorials require you to be OC.
Inaasal ako sa mga kids ko. Sabi na ako, Dad, ikaw na.
Well, happy Father's Day and happy birthday. Before we wrap up this interview, I'd like to ask, having found your happily ever afters, what would you advise these girls waiting for the one pa?
Well, I think they shouldn't settle for someone who comes just because that person is there.
Right.
Dapat you should stick to your ideals, yung sino yung gusto mo talaga. Pero you should also adjust. Na hindi naman pwede na yung lalaki lang mag-adjust. You should also adjust. Want to find a perfect partner, you should also be perfect for the partner.
Right.
How about to those wondering, dadating pa ba siya? Ang dami din nagtatanong nun eh.
Maybe, the right time. Dadating yung, kung yung nakalaan para sa'yo, dadating yan. Pero yun yan, don't settle for anyone na kung sino lang yung convenient dyan.
Ayun,
Tiwala lang, tiwala.
Tiwala, kapit, tiwala lang dadating. How about you, Jody? Sa lahat ng chingay na nag-iintay dyan.
to never lose hope na, and I think na gamitin niya yung waiting period niya to improve herself, diba? And tama yung sinasabi ni Richard eh, parang we're so concerned about looking for the right one. So habang wala pa si right one, make yourself the right one dun sa blessing na inibigay sa'yo nila.
I love it! Okay, thank you very, very much. Jody, Ian, and Richard, now is your time to please invite everyone.
Team Tisoy or Team Chinoy? The Achy Breaky Hearts, June 29 na po.
Directed by Direct Antoinette Cadaone under Star Cinema.
Congratulations in advance on the movie on the 29th, The Achy Breaky Hearts. And of course, ito na